Hello, I've been in the market for a newish sewing machine for a while, and I finally set my sight and purchased a vintage one on shopgoodwill.com. Now, before you get carried away when I say the word vintage, keep in mind it's not what you think. It was originally made in 1993. Yeah, let that sink in. So, hearing that, viewers will probably fall into one of two categories. Oh, wow, that's old. Or the other, wow, I feel old. Which category do you think I fall into? Anyway, let's go take a look at it, shall we? Well, here's the package. Now let's open her up. Let's take a look at the invoice. It's a Singer Tan White Sewing Machine. I normally buy other machines, but this seemed like a good one, so it was $34.96. Let's see what we've got. Boy, they padded this thing well. All this packing just for one sewing machine. Well, let's see what we've got. So here's the case, but it appears to be a piece missing. Well, we'll see what happened to that later. And now we have more padding to remove. Great. So here we are, the sewing machine. Let's see what we've got. It looks like patterns for a face mask. Okay, and the piece actually broke off, maybe with all that padding. Go figure. Oh, and here's the instruction booklet. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, this is definitely going to come in handy later. Let's put it aside for now. And here's the foot pedal. It's bigger than on my old sewing machine. And here's the missing piece of the case. Let's take a look at this. And that's where the piece came from. Huh. So, what do we have here? Okay. Extra bobbin. Pressure foot. I guess this goes there. Let's put it away for now. Well, here we are, my vintage early 90s heavy-duty sewing machine. It certainly is heavy. I'm used to a smaller machine that's, well, very lightweight, but doesn't do a whole lot. But, well, as far as how she performs, I'm afraid you're going to have to stay tuned for future videos to find that out. But anyway, thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye!